that was really cute. We just bumped into one of the owner's friends. It's Leo, and because she was like, oh, is that Archie? And I was like, yeah, that's Archie and Leo. Yeah, so she is a friend of, obviously, their owners. Her name was Marie. But yeah, that's so cute. So cute that sometimes like people know the dogs I sit, and it's kind of cool. Good job, guys. Yeah, we're gonna go down the river. Let's go to the river. Good job. Yeah, so every time, I do something repetitively, like for example, we go to the river all the time, so I'll use that phrase, let's go to the river, or let's go down to the river. And so they'll probably pick up on the intonation and the word river. And if it's repeated enough times and then the water follows, the river follows, then they kind of understand. So pretty soon, dogs are going to learn language. I mean, not that they really need to, like they've already got us trained and they don't even talk. They've trained us to provide them with a beautiful home, nutritious food, yummy treats, beautiful beds and coats. Hello. Hello, buddy. Good job. Good boy, Archie. So Archie's going that way, so I'm going to say he's a good boy because that's the right way to go. Good girl. Okay, now we're just waiting on charcoal. Charcoal! Maybe Charcoal's already down at the river. Oh yeah, let's go see if Charcoal's down there. Charcoal! Yeah, sometimes if they know where we're going, then they go straight there. Good job. Good boy, Chewy. Yep, that flash again was Chewy. Oh, you're fine. Good boy, Charcoal. You found us. Good job, buddy. Yeah, because there's another way as well of going down to the river, so you might have tried that way. Good job. Oh, okay. They're all gonna play chase apparently. Hello. Good boy. Good boy, Milo. Yeah, they're all with me. Good job, guys. Good boy, Leo. He likes to entice Chase.
Oh,
yeah, that's what it seems like. He's like, chase me, everybody. Oh, you're okay. You're okay, Archie. Oh, sorry. Stay down. Stay down. Good job, guys. Okay, so I'm just going to throw my bag out first, and then we'll head back down, and we'll probably walk along the shore. Good boy, bud. Chip's like, I'm staying in this big, giant water puddle. But we are going back down, so. Good job, guys. Okay, come on, guys. Come on, let's go. Let's go. We're going this way. Yeah. Just psyched you out by going up here. That's right, Chip. I made you walk all the way up for nothing because we're going right back down. Good boy, Leo. You're okay, Archie. Yeah, that guy likes to, like, you can tell he likes to play chase because he's trying to get everybody to chase him. Good job, guys. Yeah, so I think on the way back, I usually like to walk along the shore because it's nice and cool and there's a water source and they can play chase. Good boy, Chewy. That is one of the first times I've seen Chewy play chase, actually. Oh, look how happy Archie is. It's cute. And of course, Chip loves the water. Good girl, Chip. Yeah, she's right in her element. Because she's a Newfoundlander, actually, so she loves water. And then she's a husky, and she loves snow, right? So she's definitely a water element dog. Good boy, bud. Good boy, Charcoal. Good boy, Chewy. Good boy, buddy. Good boy, Milo. Good boy, bud. Yeah, his tail is always wagging. Good boy, Charcoal. He's like, do we have any hamburger? Good job, guys. Good boy. Good girl, Chip. Oh, somebody's getting a drink. Good boy. Good boy, Milo. Aw, that's good. Leo's going in too. Leo, did you get a drink of water, bud? You know, sometimes if they've never been exposed to like a river or a lake or something, like they don't know to drink until I guess they've been exposed to it. It's kind of funny. So now I'm going to start walking backwards and see if they notice. So honestly, Archie looks like he's too far ahead to notice. But I'm just going to give him the benefit of the doubt and see if he comes around. Like, see, what he should notice kind of thing is like no dogs are close to him. So then he'll be like turning around. Yeah, he's slowing down. Oh, he's still going. That's... Hello. Hi. There's a cute little puppy. Oh my goodness. Yeah, he's gone. Oh, wait. He is looking. No, he's not looking back. Oh, no, he's looking back. Leo! There he comes. Good boy, buddy. Come on, come. Good boy. Did I call him Leo? Archie, come. Good boy. boy, Archie. Good boy, Charcoal. Okay. Chip's in the middle of the river. Good boy, buddy. Good job. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, so Leo isn't that food motivated. Like he's just not crazy about it. No. No. I don't give treats for rudeness. See, he's just like that, or he's just overwhelmed by the other guys, right? Milo, don't be such a bug. You had yours, Milo. Nope, Chewy, you had yours as well. Thank you for sitting, but it's Chip's turn. Good girl, Chip. Okay, come on, guys. Yeah, you all had a treat except for Leo. Leo doesn't want it. It's fine. Yeah, they always try to see what they can get away with. You know, they're like, if I snatch it from her, and if they get away with it, you know what? Then that means it's okay for them to do it. So I really try to be vigilant when I'm giving treats. Because dogs' rules, honestly, are if they can get away with it, then it's okay. So for us as humans, we that's where we have to put boundaries, right? And kind of shape their behavior and not allow negative behavior to happen or unwanted behavior to happen, like counter surfing. Yeah, so the more goodies a dog gets from a counter, like the more they're able to grab it, the more it is self-rewarding, right? Milo, you didn't make it, huh? There's two birds, and Archie's like watching them. Good boy. Look at Chewy, just up and down. He just went back up. Like, look at him. Oh my gosh, it's crazy. Oh, he's getting all the dogs excited. He's getting all the dogs excited. You guys are okay. Play nice, Archie. Good shake off, buddy. Good boy.
I might
be able to go with me, right?
It's not a terrible idea.
Hello. Good job, guys. Oh, look at this amazing pack with their awesome social skills. Yeah, you know, I've had, especially like new clients or like potential clients, a lot of people are, when I say I take them to the off leash, like even the guy at the manager at the car rental company that I just was at, he was like, and they come back to you? Apparently him and his girlfriend brought her dog to the off leash and just let it rip. Like, come on. You haven't exercised this poor dog in quite a while, and you haven't really trained the dog at all for off leash. You bring him to this. So yeah, and he said, you know, we are guilty of, like, she hadn't been exercised in a while. So, you know, put yourself in her place. Like, you've been trapped in this house for months. And then somebody gives you the key to freedom. Like, of course you're gonna take off and run and explore and roam for a few hours before returning, right? So yeah, they said eventually, and they said, like, she did kind of come back and check and everything, but she wouldn't let them catch her because, yeah, like, freedom, right? So yeah, it's kind of funny, I guess. Like, people think they can just bring an untrained dog to an off leash and just, you know, just like let them rip and like have all these expectations, I guess, you know? Yeah, so yeah, he sounded so shocked that I would take 5 dogs to an off leash, let them be off leash and have, I guess, like control over them. Oh, and so now, yeah, he really does kind of do his own thing. That's Archie there. Right? Like he's just not too concerned, I guess. Most small dogs like to, oh, here he comes. But it takes him a while, you know? So, oh, he's just curious about the wave. Good boy, buddy. Good job. Yeah, good boy. Okay, he is back with us. Chip's like, keep up, buddy. Chip actually wants to play with Archie, but Archie's like, no. There's a little bit of a size disadvantage. Good girl, Chip. Oh, so, there's another tree that the beavers are trying to get down. Yeah, up ahead there's like 3 really large and long trees. Or logs, I guess they are now. But yeah, it's like a giant... Well, I'll probably have it on video. What are they doing, Chewy? Oh, the rowing club, I think, is practicing. Yeah, they're practicing. Good job, guys. Good girl, Chip. Chewy's really interested. He's following along. He's following that guy, or girl, that paddler. Good girl, Chip. Chip's like, oh, this is deep water. I love it. Look at Chewy. Oh, Milo made it up the bank. And this is why I love having like a dedicated dog van, you know, because they can honestly get as dirty as they want. Because it's their van. And like, so when, like, for example, when I went and took a road trip with my girl, a short road trip just to Cold Lake with my girls, I would rent a car. I would rent a vehicle because, A, they definitely don't like or want to ride in my dog van, and B, it only has like 1 front seat for a passenger. I've taken all the other seats out. Milo and Chewy are up on the bank. Good boy, bud. Oh, and there are the 3 logs that I mentioned earlier. Good boy, Milo. Yep, there goes his tail. Always a wagging. Good boy, buddy. Good boy, Archie. Yeah, Archie's like, what's going on here? What are these waves doing? It's like a novelty for him, maybe. I don't know. Good boy, bud.